Hello, I'm Michael. Let's talk organic hemp twines. Since 1997, Rawganique has been making premium organic hemp twines. Everything that we make is in-house for true purity. Our organic twines have been made into amazing jewelry, clothing, macrame, crochet, all sorts of creative projects and ventures go down right here with this I'm holding in my hand. Our organic twines are available in many different sizes, widths, spool sizes, colors. They're also available in waxed and unwaxed as well. And since we make all of these in-house, we're always happy to get you any sort of a custom order that you need. Our organic twines and string are completely safe for all animals and humans alike, and they're perfectly safe for the entire planet, which is why our customers love them so much. What will you make?